In this video, we will learn how to access designation-related information using uKnowva's virtual assistant, powered by MCP, in uKnowva HRMS. uKnowva securely retrieves designation-related information from your HRMS and presents it through a simple conversational interface, helping HR teams and managers quickly access role details. To begin, go to uKnowva Agent. Suppose you want to view all the information configured for a particular designation in your organization. Simply type a prompt such as, "Can you share all the details related to the junior UI/UX designer designation?" The uKnowva agent will search the designation master and retrieve the available details for that designation. The response may include information such as the role overview, key responsibilities, required skills, care summary, yearly and monthly CTC details, interview questions, evaluation criteria, and other designation-specific information configured in your HRMS. If the designation exists in the designation master, the uKnowva agent will display the available information. However, if the designation is not present in the designation master, the system will not be able to retrieve any details. You can also continue the conversation and take further actions. For example, after reviewing the designation details, you can ask the agent to create a job posting based on that designation. The agent can pre-fill the job details using the information available in the designation master, and you can review or edit any of the fields before posting the job. That's it. You now know how to access designation-related information using uKnowva's virtual assistant, powered by MCP. Thank you for watching.